Check this out, it's coming down heavy. This is same hour, it's 8 o'clock, but you can see it's sticking to the grass and the deck first. I bet you that bench will be gone by tonight, like the last time I said that. I bet you that bench will be gone, and it was, so stay tuned. Here's the power outage map. Unfortunately, we're on the edge of it. Possible and likely. You can see we're in that borderline of 8 to 12 and 12 to 18. That's ridiculous. Here's the snowfall totals. You can see they keep moving the track up and down. We're in the middle right there in the light purple right there. You could see yesterday we were in the dark purple. It keeps moving back and forth. Actually, last night we were in the blue, which I was kind of nervous because they were saying 1 to 3 inches, because they said on the I-95 near Lawrenceville there could be 1 to 3 inches, and Bridgewater can get up to 12 to 18. So I was kind of nervous because there could be a rain and sleet line like last time, and then also there's a dry slot like the January of 2015 storm that I was worried about. You can see it's right there from Cape May all the way up to like the Toms River right there. That's where the dry slot is. Look at that, over a foot. Look at the size of the snowflakes. Holy cow, I never saw that before. Heavy snow. You could see they're showing about approximately 14 inches for our area. Oh boy, it's 10 o'clock now, and you could see it's still barely much on the ground. 2-3 hours later, you could see sleeting and rain. We already have 3/10 of an inch of rain, which would have been 3 inches of snow. So we're down from 16 inches down to 13 inches. Still a lot, but it has to do 2 inches of snow per hour. It's going to start forcing every once in a while. The cold air starts forcing, and we get a heavy burst of snow for a few minutes, and then it comes back to this. Okay, 10:20 now, and you can see it's forcing again. That means the storm is overpowering the warm air and forcing cold air, and you can see it's forcing all the snow. Hopefully it doesn't switch back to that sleet and rain nonsense. Look at this. But we already subtract 4 inches from the max total, which I was never expecting 18, and that's a lot of snow. Ridiculous. But now we're down to 14 inches, but that's still a lot of snow. I hope we get that much. And this is not even the big stuff yet. That's from 12 to 5, 12 to 7. A lot of rain in the pool. Wow, it's cranking and forcing. Still no accumulations on the driveway or on the totally covered on the grass yet, but pretty soon if it continues like this. I don't know if you could see this, but you could see we're having sleet pellets right there. It's bouncing off the ground. Accumulating, bigger chance for power outages now, unfortunately, and now the snow totals are going down. You can see the slush right here, all the slop. It's going to stick to the power lines right here. You can see all that icing right over there. It's starting to occur. Soon it's going to start freezing when the temperatures drop and we get some forcing going on. And we have a tree down over there, and so that could, right there, I don't know if you can see it, but it's going to weigh down on the tree branch, and hopefully it doesn't snap. It could pile up though. This is the 6th time now that look, it just lightened up again. It was a heavy burst, and then as I got the camera, it lightened up again. This is 6th, 7th time now. It's not consistent, heavy snow. This is the 10th time now. It's probably another tease, because I don't think it's going to last like this for too long, because it's been doing this 10 times already. Goodness, look how hard it's coming now, because it's heavy, wet snow. Check this out. This is ridiculous. Look how hard it's coming down. Maybe this is the burst that they're talking about. There's a lot of forcing cold air right now. Okay. Check that out. Look at the deck now, right now. Within 5-10 minutes, you could see it's starting to accumulate. This is good. Whoa, check that out. It's like a snow globe right here. This doesn't even look real. Look at that. Look how hard it's coming down. This is insane right here. Look at the size of those flakes. Whoa, look at that ThunderSnow right there in Cape May. They're having thunder sleet. We're getting ThunderSnow, baby! Woo! ThunderSnow! ThunderSnow! Holy cow! That's a twofer, baby! Oh my goodness, and I got it on the camera. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's 3! There's 3, baby! 3 episodes of ThunderSnow. You gotta be kidding me. Woo! Holy cow, it's like a winter wonderland out here. Check this out, it's like a snow globe. Look at this right here. Everything's coated in this beautiful snow right here. Look at this. It's like a screensaver right over here. Uh-oh, I think I heard a branch falling. Hopefully we don't lose power, but there's a good potential because we had a lot of freezing rain. We had 3/4 inch of rain under all of this. Look at that. We have about 2 inches of snow right now at about 1:30. This is an exciting day. It's crazy. We got the ThunderSnow. And that was funny. 10 minutes before they said it was in Cape May, and I was saying I hope we get it, and we did. And Jim Cantoria, and they said on Channel 7 knew they were forecasting it. Look at those flakes. They're still monster waffle-sized flakes right there coming down. Look at Long Beach Island. I mean Atlantic City. Holy cow.
We're getting hammered. You got thunder and lightning going on. Trenton, New Jersey.
Listen to that, baby. That's number 4. You gotta be kidding me. 4 episodes of thunder and snow, baby. Oh my goodness. Look at all this thunder snow in New Jersey. This is ridiculous. Up must have been 25 strikes of thunder snow. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. A tree just came down right over here. It might be just branches, but the branches and trees, this is not good. Also, our power just flickered. It went off for a second and then came back on, but unfortunately, it looks like we're gonna lose power. Look at this, and we're only halfway. We're about 2/3 of the storm is done, so we could expect another 3 to 5 inches. Look at this. Almost like snowfall rates with Winter Storm Jonas. This is kind of like Snowtober too, because look at this, the tree branches right here. Look, everything is leaning over. You can see it right there. Look at that. The branches are leaning over. You can see right there that branch is leaning over. Right here, look at that on the bench right there. That's about like a good 8-9 inches of snow. This is crazy. I never seen it like this, sticking to the tree like this. This is not good at all, because these are going to come down on the power lines because the icing that occurred before this. You can see that's the other tree that came down with the last nor'easter, which was only less than 1/4 inch of snow, but we had gusty winds and knocked it down. You can see it probably snapped in half now because it was leaning sideways, and now it's completely leaning over. Oh boy, our power just flickered again, and now it's completely out. We're stuck in the dark. No TV coverage tonight, and no heat tonight, so and it's going to go down to 28. There's our fireplace. This is one heck of a storm. Check this out. Whiteout conditions. You could see why the power was out. I was expecting it. Unfortunately, you could see the tree limbs down there, and look at that one right there. It's completely down. We have about 10 inches of snow right here. You can see we're listening to NJ 101.5 on the old-fashioned battery radio. Looks like it's slowing down, but look at this. It's all over there. We're at 13.5 inches right there. This is one of the top 3 storms. If we get to 14, this is the top 3.
Okay, we have so much snow right here. We can't make a pass with the snow block, so we have to hold it down or it's going to launch. Watch this. We're bringing back the tree to life. Look at that one right there. We're going to need a shovel or something.
We won't be able to get to the end of the driveway. Our driveway is blocked by the trees. Those are the power outage lights. They come on when the power goes out, and then they turn into a flashlight. And I have one on my phone right here. And also we got the lanterns lit up, the flashlights, the battery power candles. There's the fireplace that's slowly dying. They're restoring the power because the sky turned green multiple times, so that means they're trying to fix it, but the transformer keeps blowing up. You can see we have one right over here. It was cold last night. We had no power, and it's 55 degrees in my room, 56. Look at our street right there. That's a beautiful shot right there. We're all huddled by the fireplace. It's about 57. It's only 2-3 degrees warmer by the fireplace, but it's nice. The tree branches fell off this tree right over here. Look at that one right there. This is like Snowtober all over again. That Halloween snowstorm where we lost power. And then there's one right over there. Look at that one. Right over there. It's snapped in half right over there. Check that out. That's on our side of our house. I didn't even see this little one down here yesterday. I only saw that one. You could see there's some branches down right over here and down over there. You can see all the snow falling from the trees. We're now about 15-20 minutes north of our area where there should be more snow. Look, it looks like we got half right here. Within 15 minutes it dropped down to like 3-4 inches. This is ridiculous. And we got 13 inches. This is crazy. There was just a down power line, and these people are smart. They put a cone on top of the garbage can. You can see they did a fancy driving around the school right here. They made one lane. Okay, here. You can see where we have a racetrack. I forget what that term is, what they're using. There it goes. You can see the trees right here are leaning over right here in the middle of the island in our neighborhood. You can see right over here too. You can see there's some right over here at this house. Look at all those branches right there. It was probably in their driveway. Hey, hold on. And then look at that one right there. Look at that one right there. These trees. Right here too. And over there, see them all lined up down here. Look at this. The trees that they cut down